I am really fed up with living in this huge old house with nothing to do. My parents get on my nerves as they are so controlling. I need to move on and get a new life for myself. My name is Maddie, and this is my journey.
Dad's voice on the driveway, folded arms, the tilted head, suitcase full of summer dresses, letters I never said. I've got 2 rings in my pocket, her perfume on my sleeve, rear view full of marble columns, front seat saying leave. I'm driving past the iron gate, humming my name hard in a shoebox, hands on the frame, tears on the wheel, but the road feels kind. Backseat lanterns for the dark in my mind. I'm half afraid, but I still go, chasing a life I don't yet know. Mama's pearls in the glove box click once when I hit a turn. They sound like all her questions, the ones I never earned. I passed the school, the rusted swings, the field of winter corn. Who am I if I'm not their daughter in a house of polished thorns? I'm driving past the iron gate, humming my name hard in a shoebox, hands on the frame, tears on the wheel, but the road feels kind. Backseat lanterns for the dark in my mind. I'm half afraid, but I still go, chasing a life I don't yet know. I don't have the words yet, so I sing what I can get. Just this little tune, painting over golden rooms. I'll rent a room above a baker, smell of bread at 5 a.m., leave my shoes by someone's door, call strangers us and them, stack my books on crooked shelves, hang my own coat by the stove, learn to laugh at smaller problems, count my blessings, not their votes. I'm driving past the iron gate, humming my name hard in a shoebox, hands on the frame, tears on the wheel, but the road feels kind. Backseat lanterns for the dark